Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman and Cat Kid, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 2, Hollywood Hero. Meanwhile,
Dogman should be here any minute.
Is he always this late?
Yeah, but, well, he's a maverick. He plays by his own rules, but he gets the job done. He's the thinking man's Rin Tin Tin. He's tough. He's serious. No! Cut it out! Get off! Quit! Stop! Bad doggy! Why? Why do we have to go through this every day? Oh yeah, Dogman, this is Sam Hamilton. He's a big-time Hollywood director. He's gonna make a movie about you.
That's right. It's the true story of a hero. He's got depth, intelligence, and passion.
Wow, just like our stories. Right, Dogman? Hey, give me that poster! Give it! Haha, he always does this. Here you go.
No, I can't work with him. He is an idiot.
Well, he's the best cop we've got.
Okay, I'll give him one more chance. This is Yole Caprice. She's the world's greatest actress.
Hey! Don't do it! Don't do it! Good doggy. Then...
Yole! Yole, this is Chief.
Hello, dog. Think you must be Dogman.
Yeah, but he's a bum. He eats everything, and he's always late.
But his heart is good, no? Ciao, Beto. I have a job for you.
But,
You shall be my bodyguard,
but,
and I shall reward you
but...
with tummy rubs.
ready?
Okay, let's go make a movie.
But...
Oh boy, this is gonna be great. Dogman's gonna be a famous bodyguard. And I bet he won't make any mistakes this time. Ain't that right, Dogman?